We specialize in the supply of high-quality precision aluminum tubing, ensuring a seamless flow directly to your production line.
See that scratch on the aluminum right there? There?
Yeah, I got it. We should reject this batch.
With the materials ready, the pre-processing conveyor transports them seamlessly into phase 2.
A little more to the right, hold it there, you're good.
Lift sequence initiated, transporting steel frames and wheels to the phase 3 assembly zone.
All right, keep it coming, straight back now. You're good, easy, easy. And stop.
The automated conveyor system ensures a precise blend of materials before inspection.
The flow of materials is the lifeblood of our operation. Carbon fiber, aluminum, and steel move seamlessly.
Welcome to the future of cycling. This is where precision engineering meets sustainable design.
All vehicles cleared. Directing the vans to bay 2 and 3, the sedan to visitor parking.
Every morning, our team arrives prepared and on time, ready to tackle the day's challenges safely.
As materials arrive at the loading docks, they are immediately routed via conveyor into the central.
With pre-processing preparation complete, the conveyor belts are moving forward, signaling the start of production.
The forklifts efficiently transport the raw materials from the entry conveyors, feeding the supply chain directly into phase 4, the intake and pre. Look at this irregularity right here.
I see it. Should we reject it?
Yes, mark it before it reaches the cutter.
Each frame undergoes rigorous visual inspection, checking for bends and ensuring weld integrity before moving to the trimming station.
The sorted materials are now moving seamlessly toward Phase 5 for core mechanical processing.
The automated CNC machine ensures every cut is flawless, preparing the carbon fiber for the molding process.
The green tire enters the molding press. Under extreme heat and pressure, the rubber is vulcanized, forming the tread. Utilizing advanced multi-axis machining, we ensure every bearing race and gear tooth meets the tightest tolerances before moving to assembly. Here, the wheels meet the frame. This critical step relies on both skilled hands and the latest technology to guarantee a flawless ride.
The process involves securing the handlebars, then fitting the brake levers and gear shifters.
Here on the line, our skilled technicians perform critical quality checks. They ensure perfect wheel alignment.
Our fully assembled and adjusted bicycles are now moving towards Phase 7, handled by automation and robotics systems.
Our laser sensors scan the frame and wheels, ensuring precise alignment. Once verified, the bicycle advances to the coating inspection phase. Our robotic arms provide a mirror-like finish before the integrated laser scanners perform a full quality inspection on every frame.
Bicycles exit testing station ready for Phase 8.
After a thorough scan for defects, the frame passes inspection. It now proceeds to Phase 8, precision and finishing.
The automation conveyor flow is now complete, moving seamlessly into Phase 8, precision, calibration, and finishing.
Here at the wheel stress test station, we simulate years of use. Once the durability check is complete, the assembly moves to the brake test. The component torque recheck is a critical step. Our technicians ensure every bolt meets precise specifications before the final functional inspection.
Once cleared by quality control, the bikes are transported to the final stage: secure packaging and efficient dispatch.
The logistics team ensures every shipment is packed securely. These bicycles are now ready to hit the road and reach their destinations.
Everything checks out. Sign here. Looks good.